Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today we discuss polynomials part 1. In this part there are 4 topics. The first one, definition of polynomial. The second one, degree of polynomial. The third one, types of polynomials according to degree. The fourth one, types of polynomials according to number of terms. Now go for first one, definition of polynomial. What is polynomial? Yes, an algebraic expression in which the variable have involved only non-negative integral powers is called polynomial. So let me explain an example. For example, x square plus 2x plus 1. It is a polynomial. Here x is variable. Its power is integer. That is non-negative integer, means positive integer. It is also a variable. Its power also non-negative integral power, means it is positive integer. Okay, the power must be positive integer, then only it is polynomial, only for variable. So next example, 2x power 5 plus 7x square plus 12. It is also a polynomial. So here the variable power is non-negative integral power, means positive integer. So these two are polynomials. Okay, next one more example. X power 10 plus 1 by 2 x square plus 7x plus 20. So here also variable power is positive integer. Here also positive integer. Here also positive integer 1 is there. So it is also polynomial. Okay. So now one question. X power minus 10 plus 2. Is it polynomial? Is it polynomial? Question mark. Is it polynomial? So it is not polynomial. Why? Means variable power is negative integral power. So it is not polynomial. It is not polynomial. Okay. So such type of are called only expression. It is only expression. It is not a polynomial. Next, go for second topic, degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is the highest power of its variable term. For example, x square plus 7x minus 10. So in this polynomial, the highest power of variable term is 2. So its degree is 2. Okay. Yes. Next one, 7x plus 4y square plus 2z cube. What is its degree? So here the highest power of variable is 3. So its degree is 3. Degree is equal to 3. Okay. Right. And one more example. Generally polynomials are denoted with p of x. So for example, a polynomial p of x equal to x power 10 plus 9x minus 11. What is its degree? The highest power is 10 of variable term, only variable. We observe only variable. So its degree is 10. Okay, right. Next, go for third topic, types of polynomials according to degree. Okay, yes, first of all, constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? If degree of a polynomial is 0, if the degree of a polynomial is 0, then that is called constant polynomial. For example, a polynomial p of x equal to 2. It is constant polynomial. 2 can be written as 2 into x power 0. We know very well x power 0 is 1. So 2 can be written as 2 into x power 0. Here variable term is 0. So its degree is 0. So if degree is 0 means that is known as constant polynomial. Yes. Next, linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? if degree of a polynomial is 1, then that is called a linear polynomial. For example, degree 1, p of x equal to x plus 2. So here variable term, first one x, its degree 1, so its degree is 1, so it is called linear polynomial. First degree polynomials are called linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. So if degree of a polynomial is 2, then that is called quadratic polynomial. For example, p of x equal to second degree polynomials, x square plus 10. So here the degree of a polynomial is 2. So it is called quadratic polynomial. And one more example, x is 2x square plus 7x plus 11. So its degree is 2. So it is known as quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Cubic. If degree of a polynomial is 3, then that is known as cubic polynomial. For example, p of x equal to x cube plus 7x square plus 1. Here the degree is 3. So it is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. And one more example, y cube plus 7. It is also cubic polynomial. Y means its degree is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. Next to biquadratic polynomial. If the degree of a polynomial is 4, then it is called biquadratic polynomial. For example, p of x equal to x power 4 plus 7x cube plus 10. So the degree of a polynomial is 4. So it is called biquadratic polynomial. Okay, next to nth degree polynomial. What is nth degree polynomial? If the degree of a polynomial is n, then that is called nth degree polynomial. Okay. Next, go for fourth topic, types of polynomials according to number of terms. So the first one, monomial. In a polynomial, if there are only one term, then that is called monomial. Then that is called monomial. So in this polynomial, just only one term is there. So if the number of terms is 1 in a polynomial, then that is called monomial. Next, what is binomial? So in a polynomial, if there are 2 terms, then that is called binomial. Here these two are 2 terms, the first term and second term. 2 terms are there. So it is called binomial. So trinomial. In a polynomial, if there are 3 terms, then that is called trinomial. So there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So it is known as trinomial. What is multinomial? In a polynomial, if there are more than 3 terms, x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus like this 10. So there are more than 3 terms, then that is called multinomial. Okay, yes. Here one small important note is there. So the polynomial p of x equal to 0 is called zero polynomial. Is called zero polynomial. Okay, 0 is called zero polynomial. What is the degree of zero polynomial? Degree of zero polynomial means p of x equal to 0 is, what is the degree of zero polynomial is? So degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Why means? Y means 0 can be written as 0 into x power 1 or 0 into x square like this. So 0 into anything is 0, but its a degree we can't say. Y means 0 into x power 1, 0 into x square, 0 into x cube. So that's why we can't say whether it is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So degree of zero polynomial is not defined.